Yeah, good evening. Sir, in the last video, so we are talking about how to implement a program to read three numbers from the user and calculate maximum of three numbers. This program we covered very clearly. Sir, in today's session, I want to write a program to check whether the given number is, to find out factorial of the given number. Sir, let's see how you can able to calculate. Sir, what is the task here? What is the title of the program here? Sir, we have to implement a program to find factorial of the given number. Implement a program, sir, to find factorial of the given number. Sir, how you can able to find these? First, we have to write logic for this. Okay. Sir, there are two logics for this also. Okay. Sir, what is the algorithm here? The first step is nothing but we have to read. Okay, we have to read n value from the user. We have to read n value from the user. What is the second step? Sir, apply any one of the following logics. Any one of the following logic. Okay, sir, we have two logics are there. One is nothing but a logic one. Second one is nothing but a logic. And finally, so print the result. Sir, I will explain what is the logic one. Sir, this logic one is nothing but, sir, by using looping statements. Sir, by using looping, how you can able to do? Initially, factorial is equal to 1. For I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. Just we have to take factorial is equal to factorial into 1 and we have to print that factorial. Sir, how this loop is going to work? Sir, same like sum of n natural numbers. In sum of n natural numbers, we have taken a sequence like this, right? Up to n. But in this, we should not take 0. And we have to start from 1. So 1 into, sir, 2 into, so 3 into, and so on up to into n. Sir, here, why we are not going to take 0? 0 plus anything will become anything. But 0 into anything will become 0. That's why we should not include the 0. That's why even initial value is also 1. I think you know 0 factorial value is what, sir? 1. Okay. Sir, that's why default factorial is equal to 1. Then I'm going to write a loop I is equal to 1. Start from 1 up to I less than or equal to n. Include the value of n every time I plus plus. So first we have to calculate f into I. Whatever result you are getting, try to put it into f. Once if the loop completed, try to print the value of f. Sir, let's take n is equal to 4. So what will be the values of I? Initially, I will become 1. Is it less than or equal to 4 or not? Yes, condition true. Sir, second time your I will become, is it less than or equal to 4 or not? Yes, condition will become. Sir, I is equal to 3. Is it less than or equal to 4 or not? Yes, condition will become true. Sir, I is equal to 4. Is it less than or equal to 4 or not? Yes, condition will become true. Sir, I is equal to 5. Is it less than or equal to 4 or not? Condition will become false. That means, sir, f is equal to 1. 1 into 1, it will become 1. That result will be updated here, sir. Sir, 2 into 1, the result will become 2. That will be updated here. Sir, 3 into 2, the result will become 6. Okay, sir, 4 into 6, it will become 24. Sir, 5 is not included, right? That's all. Sir, what is the factorial of 4, sir? I think if you cross check, factorial of 4 is nothing but a 24. Like this, how you can able to work with looping statement. Okay. So just I will take this screenshot. I will store it in our running notes. Okay. Sir, I think this concept is very clear for you, friends. Right? Please confirm. Is the example is very clear for you people?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Right. Yeah, we can use like that also, Vishal. You can also use like that. And someone is giving information that, sir, if you go in this speed, we are going to finish within these 3 months or not. Sir, I told already, maybe if 1 or 2 days extended, please don't worry, because I told, my intention is to clearly explain each and every concept for you people, and that should be injected into your mind. So please don't keep any doubt on the duration. Okay, so it won't be double. If I am taking 3 months, not 6 months, I will maximum finish by 3.5 months, like that. Okay, so I am instructing everyone to please don't look into that duration. Try to look into the content. Okay, so as of now, whatever we have, with that 2 months duration is sufficient. Okay, so I'm going to plan few more topics also. If you hurry, then I will skip the topics. I think that is not you are expecting, right? So as the first time, you can able to see I'm going to face so many struggles, and I'm going to do research on that, and I will bring all the concepts. If I want to explore myself, first I need to try. So that will be this batch, so that you can expect more content from my side for this first batch. Second batch onwards, I know this is the starting limit, this is the ending limit. These concepts we have to cover. Sir, for the next time, how many algorithms I have covered till now? 10. Next time, definitely I want to cover these. I will remove 1 or 2 algorithms. I will take only 8 or 9, like that. Are you getting my point? So first time, don't depend on the duration, sir, but it won't be exceeded. 1 hour is not that much critical for you people, I think so. So please try to cooperate. Okay. Yeah, that's what. Try to explore by yourself, sir. Okay. Whatever concept I am taking, so try to get it. Try to get it. Okay. So I'm considering your request also. I can understand, but try to understand my situation also. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Sir, now, sir, first phase is okay. What is the second logic? Sir, second logic is nothing but by using recursion. By using recursion, we can solve. Sir, in the last example, somewhere I told, right? Sir, which example we have taken in the last case? Sum of n natural numbers. Now, I want factorial. Sir, if, okay, if the value of n is equal to 1, then I am going to return 1. Else, I want to return n into, sir, factorial of n minus 1. This is the logic. Sir, I will explain this logic. Try to concentrate. Sir, now I am taking the value of n is equal to 5. Sir, is it 5? Is it 5? No. Then it won't return. It will go to else. I told stack is going to be maintained internally for the recursion. So first 5 will be stored. Sir, after this, n into fact of n minus 1. It will be called one more time with the value, sir, 4. Is it equal to 4? Is it equal to 1? No. Then again, 4 will be pushed into the stack. Next, the same loop is going to be called for 3. Sir, 3. Is it equal to 1? No. That 3 also will be pushed. It will call for n minus 1. Now, 2. Sir, is it equal to 1? No. Sir, you can push that value, and you can able to take, sir, 2 minus 1. Now it will be called for 1. Sir, is it equal to 1? Then it will return 1. Sir, that's all. Is there any call for this? No. Then it will return means come out from this. Sir, while coming out, it will return that stack evaluation. What values are there? Sir, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Sir, 1 into 2 will become 2. Sir, 2 into 3 will become 6. 6 into 4 will become 24. 24 into 5 will become 120. Sir, 120 is the result of what you are going to get. This is the way how you can able to calculate factorial of the given number by using recursion. Sir, hope this doubt, this example is also very clear for you people. Right, friends? Do you have any doubts? No, we are going to stop at n is equal to 1 itself, Vasant. So that is called as base condition. Okay, we have to stop at a certain situation, right? So for that, I am taking n is equal to 1. Even if you have n is equal to 0, you should return 1 only. If you multiply 1 with any value, it will become that value only, right? Clear, Vasant?
Sir, please repeat recursion process again.
Recursion procedure. What is the size of a stack memory? Stack memory will be depends on the system, Yogesh. That's it depends on the operating system. Stack will be maintained. Okay, don't worry. In the recursion in detail, I will explain about how the values are going to be stored. All these things. Okay, don't worry, please. Just at the top level, try to concentrate. Internally, about recursion, we have n number of programs are there. There I will talk in detail. Okay. Just I'm going to create a new folder for data structures algorithms with Java. Sir, batch 1. So in this folder, I'm going to store the information. So factorial using recursion. So factorial using loop. Okay. Someone is asking, sir, how it is going to work internally. Sir, I told already, listen carefully. So fact of integer n. If you are passing the value 5, then first value is nothing but 5. When it is equal to 1, it will stop. If it is not equal to 1, it will call sir, n into fact of n minus 1. That means 5 into it is going to call factorial of 5 minus 1, 4. This 5 will be pushed into the stack. That is the maintenance of recursion. Okay. Now f of 4, that means for 4 again it will call. Is it equal to 1? No. So 4 into that 4 will be pushed. Like this, all the values will be inserted until you are getting 1. Once if you are getting 1, we are returning 1. That means we are not calling one more time. So simply it is going to return 1. So that finally it will pop all the elements from the stack and it is going to multiply. So as of now, just remember that's all. So in detail about this stack, how it is going to work, same program we are going to cover one more time. There I will talk about that. Okay. What is the difference between n is equal to 1 and n is double equal to 1? It is very simple. N is equal to 1 means, sir, you are going to assign the value 1 to n. N is double equal to 1 means you are going to compare the value of n with 1. Suppose if you are taking my percentage is equal to 66.66. So that means that percentage value you are taking to you. If you are taking percentage double equal to 66 means 66.66 means you are comparing your percentage with 66.66. So single equal to double equal to difference is that one. Clear? Right. Sir, I hope this factorial program using looping statement and using recursion, I think it is very clear for you. Please confirm if it is okay. I will go with implementation of this program in Java. Sir, screen is not lagging. Please cross check once with your internet connectivity. Right. Sir, let me take Java program. Let us take Java program. Now I will implement this. So I want to take two methods, right? Let me take fact one, which is going to take one integer value. We will write the instructions later. Sir, same I'm going to take a fact two. Sir, I request everyone to please be on mute. That's why I told I'm not going to give any permission for you. Karthik, can you please be on mute? Right. Yeah. Now enter n value. We have to read n value from the user. Sir, after reading n value, what we have to do? Sir, integer n is equal to, and I'm going to skip this. Sir, here better to print, sir, factorial of, okay, factorial by using looping statement, by using loop is equal to, sir, plus demo dot, sir, fact1 by passing n as the input. Right. Sir, next fact2 I am going to call by using recursion, by using recursion. Sir, that's all. Sir, we have to complete the code, right? Here I am going to use by using loop. Loop means what? Variable is required, that is I. Result is required, that is f. Then for I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. Sir, what we are doing here? F is equal to f into I. F is equal to f into I. That's all. Finally, we have to return the value of f, sir. Finally, we have to return the value of f. Now, sir, second case is what? Recursion. How you can able to do this? Integer. Sir, I am going to take, no, directly we can check. If the value of n is equal to 1, then I am going to return 1. Otherwise, I am going to return, sir, n into, sir, fact 2 of n minus 1. Because don't take fact 1. Fact 1 means again this function will be called. But here we are calling this function which internally calls the same function for recursion purpose. That's all. I think the program is not having any error. Just we have to run the code. Sir, how to run the code? We know the basic commands, right? Just I am taking this and Java C. So test.java I am taking. Sir, is the code is going to compile? Yes. Two errors are there. Sir, why we are getting this error? I think scanner class I have not included. I think every time we are getting this error, better I will use here itself. Java.util.scanner is equal to new java.util.scanner. So better this explicit import statement is going to solve our problem. Let me check. Enter n value. I am giving 4. Sir, 4 factorial is equal to 24, whether you are calculating by using looping statement or recursion. So enter n value, I am giving 5. Sir, factorial by using looping statement it is 120, by using recursion is also it is 120. Sir, can I take 0? No problem. Sir, when you are taking 0, what is happening? Sir, recursion. Because have you observed someone asked, sir, why you can't take n is equal to 0? This is the problem. Are you seeing if n is equal to 0, this condition is going to work? No. Then what will happen? Return n into, sir, that is 0 into, sir, 0 minus 1. It will become minus 1. Is it equal to 1? No. Sir, is it like this? It is keep on checking. It is keep on checking. That is the problem. If you want to solve this, what we can do? Or we can able to check whether n is equal to 0. Whether n is equal to 0 or 1, then I can return 1. Sir, what is this error? Is it infinite times still it is executing? No, somewhere it will be stopped. Just a minute. Yeah. Sir, it is going to be stopped fact 2. Somewhere it is going to show one message. Sir, what is that message? Recursion error you can able to see. Sir, are you seeing here? Exception in thread main java.lang.stack overflow error. The value which you have given, for that my Java program is trying to calculate, but that overflow has happened. Sir, this is nothing but a solution for that. Now you can able to supply 0. What output we will get? 1. Sir, now if you give 3, it is going to give. Sir, if you give 5, then it will return. So if you give 4, now it is going to work. Okay. Yeah, for negative values, you can write the constraint, Manoj. You can write a constraint. Okay. If you want, you here itself, we can check. So like if the value of n is greater than or equal to 0, then you can do this activity. Okay. Sir, else what I can do? Okay. Array, what happened to you? So factorial for negative numbers. Okay. Factorial for negative numbers not existed. Like this we can give. Okay. Sir, now what will happen? If I am giving 0, it will print. Suppose if I am giving minus 9, array, what happened? Sir, you factorial for negative numbers not existed. Like this we will get. Someone is asking, sir, what will be the factorial for higher iterations than 100? You have to 1 minute. Yeah, so you have to go for long integer up to certain limit. Otherwise you can go for double. Till if your data is not limitation, then better to go for objects representation. There you will get clear. Swapnil? Yes, this is nothing but a pakka modified implementation of this program, right? I hope everyone got clarity about this. Okay, sir, do you have any doubt in this implementation? Please confirm. Yes, in the case of 0, in for loop, the control is not going to enter. Yes, then what will be the value? It will return F only because it won't execute. Srinivas, correct. Very good. Right, sir. So let's go for the next program. Okay, logic alone I will explain for this program. What is this program? Prime number or not. Okay, what is a program? Prime number or not. Now listen carefully. Sir, implement a program, sir, to check. Okay, implement a program to check whether the given number is sir prime or not. We have to check whether the given number is prime or not. Sir, how you can able to write algorithm? First step, we have to read a number n from the user. We have to read a number n from the user. What is the second step? Sir, we have to apply the logic. I have two logics are there, sir. Logic one is nothing but, sir, by using as usual looping statement. What is the second one? I can apply recursion also for this, right? Logic 2 is nothing but, sir, by using recursion. By using recursion. Okay. Then finally, sir, we have to print the status. Finally, we have to, sir, print the status. Print the status. Status means what? I can say yes or no, whether it is a prime number or not. That's all. Sir, what about these logics? Can you please explain? Yes, first we will go with using looping statement, how you can able to develop. Sir, when a number is said to be prime number, that is very, very important. Sir, a number is said to be prime if it is having how many factors? Two factors. Let me take n is equal to 4. Sir, we are going to divide this 4 with 2. Okay, we are going to divide this 4 with 2. Sir, with numbers from 1 to 4. 1 and then I will divide with 2. Better I will take like this. So I will divide this 4 with, sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 4. Sir, is it divisible by 1? Yes. Then, sir, number of factors is equal to initially 0. Now, if it is divisible by 1, that factor will become 1. Is it divisible by 2? Yes. Then factor will become 2. Is it divisible by 3? No. Is it divisible by 4? Yes. Then factor will become 3. That means how many factors we got for n is equal to 4? 3 factors. So it is not a prime. If you take n is equal to 5, sir, I am going to divide this number with 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 5. Is it divisible by 1? Yes. Then your factors will become 0 to 1. Is it divisible by 2? No. Is it divisible by 3? Is it divisible by 4? Is it divisible by 5? Yes. Now your factors will become. Sir, for any number, if number of factors is 5, then it is a prime. Let me take n is equal to 6. Sir, we have to divide with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. Sir, is this 6 is divisible by 1? Yes, sir. So your factors will become 1. Is it divisible by 2? Yes, it will become 2. Is it divisible by 3? Yes, it will become 3. Is it divisible by 4? No. Is it divisible by 5? Is it divisible by 6? Yes, it will become 4. Sir, total how many factors we got? 4. Hence, it is not a prime. If you take n is equal to 7, okay, sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 7, we have to check. Is it divisible by 1? Yes. Is it divisible by 2? No. 3? No. Sir, 4? No. 5? No. 6? No. 7? Yes. Sir, how many factors we got? Sir, we got 2 factors. Now, is it prime number or not? Yes. Sir, this is nothing but what a concept we have. Sir, I think what is mean by prime number, how you can able to decide whether a number is prime or not, I think you got clarity, sir. Right? Please confirm. Sir, I request everyone to please be on mute. Abhishek, Pratap Singh. Could you have this screenshot also in running notes? Do you want this screenshot?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will provide this screenshot also. Don't worry. Yeah, right, sir. Sir, we will. Yes. Sir, we will implement this program logic tomorrow. Okay, not tomorrow, Monday. We will implement this prime number logic on Monday. Okay, sir. Monday we are going to cover this program and Fibonacci sequence, Fibonacci sequence, and then I will give some theory part related to the algorithms. Then I will give introduction to complexities. Okay, so maybe next week and all we are going to see how to calculate the time and space complexities for various algorithms. Okay, then after that we will start arrays. Okay, right. Thank you, sir. By today night or tomorrow you are going to receive these running notes along with these images, screenshots, whatever I have taken. So tomorrow by evening you can receive all the things, and videos also will be uploaded by tomorrow. Okay, so you can watch the videos again and again. You have tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and Sunday, 3 days holidays, right? These 3 days try to refer. From Monday we will continue. Okay, sir, I told already, firstly we will go with the small steps, then we can go with based on content. Okay, yes, complexity is definitely, it is very, very important. WhatsApp group will be created in the next week, not today.
Hello.
Sir, can I?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Like the notes you will get on the email, notes and the running videos.
Yes, sir, you will receive a email. You can check it in Google Drive, sir.
Sir, where? Okay. On our emails, Gold Drive, right?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. So,
Yeah,
like I have joined today. How many classes have how many classes has been?
sir, I think I didn't remember. Maybe this is the 6th class like that.
Okay, sure. So I will get all the 6 videos, right, sir?
Yeah, you will get it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Right. Yeah, 7th class is today. Yeah, right. So I will upload the running notes within few minutes and I will give the access maximum by today or tomorrow. And I will request admin team to upload on the same day. I think, sir, now if session completed, it takes minimum 1 hour to render. Depend on the time they will upload. Okay, no problem. I will instruct them. Yeah. Yeah, I am not going to give any editing access. Just you have to view the running. That's all. Don't edit anything on the running. Even I am not going to give the permission. Some people are going to send a request again for editing purpose. Don't do any editing. Just download, keep it in your desktop, practice the programs. That's all. So don't anything on the Google Drive. Just you can able to view and download. That's all. You can't able to edit. Right. Thank you. We will meet for the continuation on Monday. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, Sunday, we don't have any class. Okay. Right. Thank you.